Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where your Instagram business account doesn't have access to the music feature, especially when you're trying to add music to your stories or reels on your iPhone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Now, we all love sharing our moments, our memories, and our creativity on Instagram. But sometimes we want a little more control over who sees our content. Maybe you're tired of strangers watching your stories, or maybe you just want your circle to be a bit smaller. The good news is, it's super easy to switch your account from public to private, and I'll walk you through everything in a calm and simple way. So grab your iPhone, open Instagram, and follow along with me. Ready? Let's do this. So first, unlock your iPhone and find the Instagram icon. Tap it to open the app. Now make sure you're logged in to the account that you want to make private. If you have multiple accounts, no worries. Just tap your profile icon at the bottom right to switch to the correct one. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner of your profile screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap that. Scroll down just a bit until you find a section labeled Account Privacy. So tap on it. Now, if your account is public, the switch next to Private Account will be turned off, and that's what we're about to change. Before you turn on these features, you should read the message below first. It'll mention that only people you approve can see your photos, videos, and stories. This also means that new followers will need your approval before they can access your posts. If that sounds good to you, tap the toggle to switch your account to private, and click Switch to Private one more time, and click OK. And just like that, your account is now private. That means only your current followers will continue to see your content, and anyone new will have to send you a follow request, which you can approve or decline. This simple setting gives you way more control and peace of mind. Thanks so much for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or share it with someone else who might need it. And if you want more Instagram tips and iPhone tricks, I've got plenty more coming your way.